as a relatively new faculty at Clemson, I made the decision in my first semester to invest a little bit of time and make sure that the course materials are put in a more or less very nice format. And it kind of paid off in a way when I made the transition to e-learning, because a lot of the slides are done, the format is nicely done. I told the students we're not gonna record them, so we'll still meet via WebEx at 8 o'clock in the morning every Tuesday and Thursday. Students respond to it. They ask questions. A lot of these platforms, they have an option, the raise hand option, where they can ask questions, but some of them, they just kind of unmute themselves and just ask questions directly. So this is kind of the goal of this, the live approach. It's gonna get a full view of the wall and just basically kind of trying to mimic the physical classroom as much as possible. Everyone seems to like the approach so far. We haven't had any major hiccup, but they kind of seem to like, they kind of keeping the class as interactive as possible. They kind of commented on that. So far, so good.